Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On the left, we have the Fokjank brushless motor drone, and on the right, the Tech Wonders drone with camera. Buckle up because this is going to be one turbulent ride. First things first, let's talk about the price. Fokjank comes in at a cool $119, while Tech Wonders is flexing its wallet muscles at $129. So Fokjank is the cheaper option, which means more money for snacks while you're out flying. Or, more money for when you inevitably crash it into a tree. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. Fokjank boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. Meanwhile, Tech Wonders is rocking dual 1080p HD cameras with a front camera that rotates 90 degrees. It's basically the James Bond of drones. Tech Wonders even has a 50x zoom, perfect for capturing distant landscapes. When it comes to flying, Fokjank's got a brushless motor that's quieter and mightier, with a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour and level 4 wind resistance. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. On the other hand, Tech Wonders has optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, making it as steady as a hummingbird on a caffeine high. Plus, it's got 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, so it won't kamikaze into your cat. Battery life. Because nobody likes a mid-flight power nap, Fokjank doesn't specify its battery life, which is about as reassuring as a "trust me" from a used car salesman. But Tech Wonders claims a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to finally decide if you want to be a professional drone pilot or just a really enthusiastic amateur. For all you beginners out there, Fokjank comes with a bunch of intelligent flight features like one-key takeoff, /landing, headless mode, and 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Meanwhile, Tech Wonders has one-key takeoff, /landing, emergency stop, and even a follow-me mode. It's like having a loyal dog that also takes epic selfies. Overall, reviewers find the Fokjank brushless motor drone to be a great value for its price, highlighting its quiet operation, decent handling, and good customer service. However, some users have experienced issues with the drone flying away or connecting to the app. On the other hand, Tech Wonders drone with camera receives praise for its ease of use, excellent picture quality, and longer battery life, making it suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-speed drone with a decent camera, Fokjank is your guy. But if you want a drone with more advanced features, longer battery life, and the ability to dodge obstacles like a ninja, Tech Wonders is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.